God, there's so much Karmatrine. I have hiccups again. It's almost like you know what happens for the following 3 weeks. I hope I do. All age and mix. Here. Oh, let me give her my hiccups. Hold on. Damn it, hold on. I guess we're playing the game with hiccups. Damn it! Dang. I can't get rid of them.
Thank you. You seem distracted.
Has serving so many dogs finally gotten to you? You gotta scream as loud as you can. Alright, hold on. I'm drunk enough. Let me go over here. Hold on. Hold on. It's not working. It's not working. What if I drink the rest of this fluffy dream? Ah, the lemon fell. The lemon didn't really contribute anyway. It's fine. Someone says, I love this and this is the best stream. That makes me feel happy. Fuck. Alright, time to drink water. Soundproof room was such an investment. It has been very helpful. What if we try my personal remedy for hiccups, which is just think super hard about curing the hiccups. Hold on. Here we go. Okay. don't know if they'll go away, guys. Shit. It's a diaphragm issue. Oh, lordy. I hope that they don't make you too distracted. Sorry, everyone. The last one. That one sounded juicy. It's a tough battle with the hiccups. Oh, well, yeah, it's not that, says Jill. My boss has been acting weird since Friday. Weird how? Romantic weird? Drug addict weird? Let's hope nobody finds the body in the fridge weird. For starters, that's the fact she only told me we were being booked moments before we opened. Plus, she seems completely distracted or lost in thoughts. Like you? Worse. I hope. She's not being herself, and that makes me wonder if there's something going on. Like what? Do you run a human trafficking ring in the basement? No. We didn't have a license for that. Oh, well, thinking about it too much is not part of my job.
Can I ask you something about your job?
Sure.
I've always been curious. What does the BTC need in their bartenders? What do you need to study?
They train you from scratch, so you don't have to study everything beforehand.
What does the training involve?
It's a lot of etiquette and regulation work. Most of our time, though, is actually spent in simulations. Simulations. Different scenarios involving different chemical hazards, that sort of thing. I mean, the chances for failure are really slim, but it's better to not take those chances.
I say. I'll be back with you guys in a bit.
I'll be back with you guys in a bit. I must attend to other clients and dogs that...
Oh, sure.
Mr. Puff says, "Oh, they're chasing me, man!" Who? The cabbages, man. The goddamn cabbages. They're everywhere. They're up for my rump. Never mind. Can I get you anything to calm down? A big blue fairy would be nice. Okay, then. Blue fairy time. Let's see. Oh, lordy, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Shit. God. Help. Here. That's very nice of you. The next is third bark day. Something the matter?
Nothing to drink yet, so.
Not sure about that, but it's hardly my job to preach sobriety. What do you want?
I need gut punch.
Okay. This flea bag wants a gut punch. Oh lord, they're getting so bad, the hiccups. I'm not fucked up, I promise. Ah, oh, God. Let's give him a big one. My hiccups usually sound like they hurt. Aged, mixed. Gut punch. Here you are.
Thanks. Hey, you ever feel guilty for being born the wrong way?
The what now?
I I've just been hearing so much about how we're racist. I'm wondering.
Are you racist?
Not really.
Do you feel like other corgis might be?
Definitely. I mean,
Then why worry? It's not like they're calling you racist. You shouldn't take generalizations personally.
you might be right.
Man, you should have seen the cutie I saw yesterday on the way home. She looked like a cat boomer. She was wearing a mini dress and had this prosthetic eye. Oh, I know who she's talking about. I know exactly who she's talking about.
I thought you were against people using prosthetics.
I'm not against cute, though. Besides, I'm not against prosthetics. I'm only against enhancements.
I don't see a difference between the two.
Alright, let me put it this way. If you lost an arm and replaced it with a mechanical arm, that does exactly what the older one did. But if you lost your arm and replaced it with a gun-loaded super arm from hell, that's something I'm not okay with. Even worse, if you decide to replace your arm because of fashion, or a whim, or to get better at some sport, that's completely not cool. That's the difference between a prosthetic and an enhancement. Replacement versus enhancement. I'm of a similar opinion about Lilim replacing their factory parts for kicks. If you think that's going to be an easy way of getting better at something, you're in for a bad surprise.
Well, I can see why you think that, but what suggested to you that what she had wasn't an enhancement? If she had badass eyesight, what? Wouldn't that count as an enhancement, even if it fixes it? How does reparative work factor into your ideologies? They might be enhancements, but they also replace something faulty.
Well, damn it, stop making sense, you piece of scrap. You're weakening my resolve. Having fun?
Oh, bartender, that was fast.
There seems to be less dogs out today, at least dogs that want to drink.
Yeah, some of them ate their tickets.
Lovely. I'll be the one dealing with that later. Say, what's your take on the whole enhancement discussion, bartender? My mom had a saying, anyone can make a chandelier out of their asses, which somehow means your body, your choices. If they are not hurting anyone, I don't see the point in hating them.
See, Betty?
Hey, I didn't say I automatically hate anyone who has enhancement. Me being against something isn't the same as me being against someone. I'm not some 12-year-old blindly hating someone because of something like that. Did y'all time travel to 2022 or what?
Maybe you should practice what you preach.
What does that mean?
I fear retaliation, so I'm not saying another word.
Are you two gonna order anything, or... I'm fine right now.
She's drinking mine, actually.
Alright, call if you need anything. Sure. Let's see.
Ow!
So much for avoiding retaliation. Next, we've got an order from Poop Eater. Oh.
You're not gonna believe me. I was in the bathroom and this other dog was looking at me from the top of the sink.
You mean the mirror?
No, another dog.
I see you. What can I serve you?
You're not gonna do anything about the other dog on the top of the sink. Okay?
I'm sure he doesn't want to hurt anybody. Don't worry.
I hope you're alright. Alright. Well, I want something really sweet.
Coming right up. The pup wants something sweet. Sure thing, my man. Sweet drinks, Sugar Rush. That's the one. Should we make the dog super fucking drunk? Help me. I just want the hiccups to go away. I don't care about anything else. I just want them to go away. What happened? He didn't even fucking do anything. Here you go.
But thanks, please think about the thing with the other dog at the top of the sink.
I will, don't worry. Well done.
That was quick.
Like I said, there aren't too many dogs today. When I heard someone booked us for 3 days, I expected more of an attendance.
While you were gone, this fella here said that the Bleeding Jane is better than a pile driver. Please, prove him wrong.
All I'm saying is that I don't see the point in drinks that feel more like a kick in the nuts than a beverage.
What do you think, bartender? Do you think there's any point discussing non-alcoholic drinks in a bar?
In my opinion, people who order a bad touch always make me giggle like an idiot, though.
That's not an opinion, that's a statement. Well, please serve us either pile drivers or Bleeding Janes. We'll let you decide which one is better.
Coming right up. I like Dio more than Betty. Pile driver and or Bleeding Jane, two of any of those. I like Dio more than hers, though. She's cool, but I'm gonna make her like Dio more. I just want the hiccups to go away. I just want them to go away. Did I give her a big one? I know what I'm doing, help. Ah. Ugh. Oh, me. One, two, three. Okay, holding my breath.